everyone! Today we'll learn how to solve factorial equations. What are factorials in the first place? For instance, if we have 3 factorials, it can be easily calculated as 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. The same if we have 5 factorials, that would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 120. So what if we have x factorials? X factorials can be written as x times x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3, etc. And at the end there is always number 1. What happens if we have factorial equation like this? X plus 1 factorial over 12 equals x minus 1 factorial over 2. The first step of solving this equation will be multiplying it by 12. When we do that, we get x plus 1 factorial equals 6 times x minus 1 factorial. Now we use the property of factorials that was described a bit earlier. X plus 1 factorials will be written as x plus 1 times x minus 1 factorial, as we see. So, now we have on the left side of our equation x plus 1 times x minus 1 factorials equals 6 times x minus 1 factorials. The same terms on the left and right side of the equation can be cancelled out, and then we have x plus 1 times x equals 6. When we simplify that, we have x squared plus x equals 6, or x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. That is the quadratic equation, which can be solved by using a quadratic formula. We get 2 solutions, one of which is x equals 2, and the other one is x equals minus 3. The other one is not acceptable, since we don't want negative number of factorials in our expression. When we check the first solution, x equals 2, we get 3 factorials over 12 equals 1 factorial over 2, which is correct. 6 over 12 equals 1 over 2.